everybody, look, here's one of our workshop today. Let's see how to install a KN95 mask machine. It has 4 parts. Let's see. Here's part 1. It is a wide air loop winding machine, and part 2, mask cutting machine. The part 3 and part 4. Part 3 and part 4 are material racks. Okay, let's see how to connect that. Between part 1 and part 2, you need lock screens. Here, look, 1, 2, 3, 5, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, and another side. Okay, that's the lock screen. And between part 2 and part 3, not screens, only put them on the same line. And part 3 and part 4, same, put them on the same line. And here, between part 1 and 2, open the door of the closet. Okay, here are some lines need to connect. Only match the same work between the lines and put them together. 1, 2, 3. Okay, like that. And it is fine. And now you can use your machine. Thanks.